What's good everyone, I'm back again with another video. So guys, it's been days, it's been months not being on the screen, almost a year guys, but right now we're back again with another banger. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to find an order block, a market structure, how to find a market structure in the market, and how to find your order block guys today. So after that I'm going to show you another one, another one, up until you will be able to find your entries, how to spot your entry nicely. So like this entry, you see this one, yeah, that's my entry. So without further ado, let's go. Yep, we're here now. So guys, today I'm going to teach you the direction of the market. No? That's what we call it, market structure. Without the structure, you won't trade, guys. I promise you. If you don't know the structure, you cannot trade. Kufana nokuthi you don't know the foundation of the market. This one is the foundation of the market. It's the first phase of the market. So without further ado, let's go right straight in there. So number one, what do we have? We have what? Uptrend, consolidation, and downtrend. See how simple it is. Just only three phases that you need to know, guys. Then we're done with the market. 1, 2, 3. Then done. Chai. Stop the video. Okay, I'm playing, guys. Let's go now. We have what? Uptrend right there, consolidation, and downtrend. So when you see what a market moving up, we call it what? Uptrend. When you see the market with a lower volume, we call it what? Consolidation. When you see the market goes down, we call it what? Downtrend. You see how simple it is? We call it what? Downtrend. When you're down. Okay, how do you take your entries? Number one, on the uptrend, you take your entry right here, right here, right here, right here. On the downtrend, how do you take your entries? Right here, right here, and right here. You see how simple it is. So, Toby, how about the consolidation? We don't take trades in consolidations unless you're a pro trader. But if you are like me, we don't take trades on consolidation. So, how do you take your entries? I'm still going to teach you guys. We have what? Order blocks. We have what? Liquidity. We have imbalance. We have what? Change of character. This is what you're going to learn throughout. I'm still going to teach you. Right now, I'm showing you market direction. So, in here now, we have uptrend, consolidation, and downtrend. Please don't forget those because you're going to make a mistake if you forget this one. Then, let's move up right here. What do you see here? You see W pattern, M pattern, head and shoulder. This one, we call it head and shoulder. This one, inversely head and shoulder. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're done. You can kill the market with this one. Okay, number one, what do we have? Most of the time, when it forms, like before it forms a double pattern with the second leg, the market will make sure that it clears the liquidity. We will have what? We will have the liquidity right here. You see, right here. We're going to have a liquidity. The market will come down like this, and then before it changes the character, it's going to cancel liquidity and move up, maybe impulsively, so then up, then it goes up. This is how the market might move, but I'm still going to teach you how to take your entries right here, because you might have what? Order block this side and then imbalance this side, then you're good to take your trades. Even on this side, still the same strategy. The market might comes down like this, up, then move like this. After here, it's going to create what? Clears the liquidity, then comes down like this, down. It forms what? A downtrend like this here. You see how simple it is. Then also on the same thing, this side, most of the time the market mimic the left hand side of the market like this. Just cut this symmetrically. So then when the markets form this part, the market will come up and goes up again. Then when you're in this side, wait for this side to form. The market might come down like this, then After clearing the liquidity right here, okay, right now we're creating what? We're creating the second leg of the market. We're about to create what? The second leg of the market. No? Then we say, okay, I know this form. This one is a head and shoulder. You wait for the market to go up. Immediately the market comes and form this copy of this one. No? You'll wait for the market to go up, clears the liquidity, this line, clear this line, and then come back right here. Sometimes you might see what? An order block right here. Most of the time you might see an order block or an imbalance. Sometimes there will be an imbalance this side. So you'll see, okay, right now we have imbalance and have order block. Then we clear the liquidity. That means I'm good to go. Then you take your entry, then goes down with it, then boom, you're in profit. Same thing as this one. See how simple it is? Please guys, don't forget to share it into your friend and subscribe so that you can get this series of our videos. Right now, we're starting to learn the market. I'm going to teach you everything for free. All you need to do is to subscribe so that you don't miss our videos. Thank you. Please don't forget to share it into your friend. Like so that the market might show that the algorithm will push these videos into your friend. Thank you. Bye. See you on the other side.